come spend the weekend with us. So for here I dey wash our plate. This plate wey we eat yesterday, you know, yesterday as everybody don come for work, we don tire, we don eat. So as we manage to do small thing when we eat, as we come eat and finish, now I come abandon the plate for there. Now I come say, okay, this morning I go wash am. So this morning come reach, I come baff. After I don baff finish, I come say, may I wash the whole plate. I come clear everywhere. As I clear and finish, I come remember say I buy fruit yesterday. I need to wash them, put for fridge. Then I come bring out the fruit. I come dey wash them. You know, wetin you dey see for here so now, I put salt for inside the fruit because I want me wash well, make all the jammy and the gbozo wey dey inside, make e comot. So I come dey use sponge. No use sponge with soap oh. I no use soap oh. As I come dey wash am with ordinary sponge so that make all the dirty wey dey inside comot. Una know say all this fruit na inside ground for dey bring dem and dey still dey pluck some. So we need to wash am very well, make e clean. So as I come wash the whole fruit finish, I come arrange am. As I come dey arrange am for my fruit jar. This fruit jar now when I buy for Shein, I do the unboxing. So if you want see the fruit jar, I take do the unboxing. This fruit jar when they see so, you fit go watch that video for my YouTube channel or even this Facebook page when you for dey watch this video. So yeah, so I come dey rinse the fruits. As I come dey rinse am finish, I come arrange all of them one by one. I come put them for fridge. I come wash the carrots and the wetin dem dey call am, I don forget that one name, that red one wey dey inside with strawberry. Yes. I come wash the strawberry journal too. I come rinse all of them, put for there with cucumber, you know. So you guys na cucumber, hey. So guys, after that one I come remember say wetin we wan eat. Now I come remember say seafood okra dey hungry me oh. Now I come carry my 2 leg waka although I no show that video where I for go buy that things. I come buy those small seafood wey, you know, the way my money reach now. You know, people wey not to get money, you know, get the way that they do am. See here now, me I dey dance, I dey shake my bum bum, check am, yeah, shake am, I dey do chaku. So see my fruit, I come buy this seafood, this gambari, all this big crayfish. See fish when I buy when you no even select take waka pass the neighbor. As I read there yesterday, the only fish when this man just get for fridge, the fish, you no even reach 5 for inside there. Now I come cook am as I take reach, as e just still reach, I cook am. Then see the seafood okra na, hey, I come do am, make pounded yam. My husband come dey sleep. I come go wake am say make we come chop. So he come enter kitchen, come wash his hand. He come. He can't join me, we can't dey eat. As even the tea say he no go eat, as he just wake up, me even say, I no want eat, I go eat later. I for even too happy, make I for eat everything finish by myself. Yeah, so for here now with the eat our seafood okra. If you dey watch this video, you want eat this seafood okra, you better come my house, come eat am. If you eat am, no just use eye take look am. E sweet, like e sweet. So as we come finish, my husband come say wan go buy star cloth for a pikin. Now I say what of me? Easter never even reach. Say Easter na weekend na. Say next weekend, you buy for me too. He say no, he no go buy for me. Me I go meet my papa, may buy for me. Now I say but my papa don die. Now you be my papa. He say no, me I go meet am. He may buy clothes for me. Anybody wey fit buy clothes for me. Now I say So now so we come waka around. You come buy clothes, come buy for a pikin. From there, we can go garden, carry baby, go garden, we can go play, we can gist, you know now. From there, we can come back as, yes, this is all for the weekend. Bye.